es solo, solo de body, es solo de body, es solo, solo de body.
I never meant to leave you hurting. I never meant to do the worst thing, not to you. 'Cause every time I read your message, I wish I wasn't one of your exes. No, I'm the fool. Since you've been gone, been dancing on my own.
I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. And you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, when all is done, there's nothing to say. You have gone and so effortlessly. You have won, you can go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible. Impossible, impossible, impossible. Falling out of love is high. Falling for betrayal is worse. Broken trust and broken hearts. I know. And thinking all you need is that. Building faith on nothing words. Empty promises will wear. I know. And now when all is done, there is nothing to say. Well, if you're done with embarrassing me, on your own you can go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it.
What I need is here right now. Get a flow and a pen and a mic in a room, and I never gonna write shit down when I get my freeze, man. That I call Russ, and I'm back home off that tour bus. But yeah, get it, spit it loosely, 'cause I'm back for y'all on Ripper Tuesdays and that same Jew with a different table and same drink and with a different label. I'm getting shit 'cause you know the fable and every beat while I'm killing Ableton House. Set it on my right, bet it, baby, I'm gone tonight. But you get it, baby, I need that girl 'cause you look good and I need your love.
I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you tonight.
I said I need your love. You know I need your love. Alright, you know I need your love.
Comer é o melhor para poder crescer.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second things second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh.